لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول
सब्सक्राइब करें मेरे चैनल सैयद साद कादरी को और बेल आइकॉन दबाएं मेरी वीडियो सबसे पहले देखें। Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I would like to share with you a narration. This is reported by Sayyidina Hudayfa radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, that the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam said that there was a man who was about to die. He was on his deathbed, and the angel of death came to this man, and he asked, "Do you know of any good deed that you have done in your life?" He said, "I have no idea. I don't remember. I don't remember that I've done any good deeds that's mentionable." And the angel of death said, "Think about it. Spend some time. Maybe you will be able to recall it." So he said, "I don't think so. There is any good deed that I have done that's mentionable, except for the fact that I was in trades. I was a businessman. I used to buy and sell goods. And whenever I would do that, I was extremely fair, just, and at the same time lenient with the people that I was dealing with. And if there was a rich guy or the guy with some wealth and I'm dealing with, and he is not able to pay me back in time, I would give him more time so that he could pay off the debt. And if there was a poor man and he couldn't pay off the debt, I would just forgive him." So, except for this one good act that I remember in my life, I don't remember doing any other good act. And this was the good act. The Prophet said that because of this act, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala not only forgave him, but entered him in Jannah. Now somebody may ask, well, the people will enter in Jannah on the day of judgment after that. However, in Allah's books, when things are done, as if it has happened now, because this is exactly how it will happen. Sometimes little deeds in our life make a lot of difference. We don't realize. But the bottom line is, when you are merciful towards the other beings, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is merciful to you. Which is also in another narration, the Prophet said that the ones who are merciful on the beings, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is merciful on them. You be merciful on the people, on the things under the sky, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will be merciful towards you. So the idea is to be merciful, to show mercy towards the other beings. Allahumma salli wa sallim wa barik ala sayyidina wa habibana wa shafi'ana Muhammadin sallallahu alayhi wa sallam.